What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a happy new year. Today, I'm here to do a review on the MXL 990 Blaze. This microphone well, it would be right here, except I don't have the microphone. Evan has the microphone. My video editor is going to be doing our review today, so let's pass it over to him. Evan, take it away.
What's up, everybody? I am Evan. I go by EZTHERECHIEF on all social media platforms. First of all, thank you, Derek, for this wonderful, brand new MXL microphone. What I want to do today is basically try to convey to you guys why a normal but avid consumer of editing, videography, broadcasting, anything techie should look for this microphone to use in the future.
Also, before I give you some great reasons, I want you to know that this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. This is our own personal opinions. So if you have any questions, also make sure you leave them in the chats. We'd love to get back to you on that. Now, reason number one why this is great. It's easy to use, you dummy.
So on my setup here, I have had this microphone in use for, I'd say, about 2 weeks. It's a fairly good time to get some work in for it. And without a doubt, this is the easiest XLR microphone that I have used by far. It is the closest thing to plug and play for an XLR setup that you will see. Especially with OBS software, if you're using it for broadcasting or recording, you might want to throw on a noise gate, you might want to throw on a limiter, a compressor. You're constantly trying to find the best settings to kind of make it sound a better quality. With the MXL 990 Blaze, there's no need to find a better quality because it's the best quality at this price range that you are going to find.
Reason number two why this microphone is great for streamers and studios. It looks cool, bro.
It might not be that big of an issue for some people, but if you're using it for things like I do, it's nice to have a microphone that looks good on camera, and this one does. It has the familiar look of what people generally think of as a microphone, and it even has 4 additional LEDs inside of the mic itself that give it a nice accent. And you don't sit over here looking like Derek, who's basically sitting inside of Thanos' asshole inside of his studio.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
What's a nice addition as well is that the shock mount is even built in to the microphone system itself. It just plugs onto the bottom, screws in, and you're done. It's not noticeable, and it does an amazing job of canceling out any kind of noise from hitting your desk, hitting the boom arm itself, any kind of vibration that might come through it.
And point number 3 of why this is a great microphone, and if you're already subscribing to my channel, you know that one of the things that I love is being cheap and doing things on the cheap. This microphone is really inexpensive, you cheapskates.
The 990 Blaze from MXL comes in just around $100. Honestly, it surprised me when I was shown the price point because for the audio quality that you're getting out of this thing, I would have at least expected it to be $300 plus. But I gotta give it to MXL. It's versatile, it feels good, it looks good, and it sounds good. You can use it in any setting, you can use it in any studio, you can use it for just about any purpose.
Up your game and jump into the XLR world. You're not going to be sorry. So, in closing, the MXL 990 Blaze is a great mic. I know because my first recording mic I ever bought was just a regular MXL 990 back in college. So I'm talking like 2003. I still have that microphone and I still use it and it sounds great. My first demo that I ever made on my own was with that microphone. Also, if you want to buy this microphone, I've got links below, and if you buy through those links, not only are you helping out the channel a little bit, but maybe someday I'll even pay Evan to do these videos. Thank you guys. I'm the Derek Frank. Have a good one.